Welcome back to FullSpec Motors. Today we take you on a full tour of the breathtaking 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. This machine is not just a car, it is a symbol of performance, style and futuristic innovation. Lamborghini has taken a bold step forward, combining electric power with a legendary V12 engine. The result is one of the most powerful and advanced supercars ever made. From every angle the Revuelto looks aggressive and refined. It features Y-shaped LED headlamps, sharp aerodynamic bodywork and massive air intakes. The front design is low, wide and ready to slice through the wind. Move to the side and you will see deep curves, carbon fiber lines and Lamborghini's famous scissor doors that open upwards like wings. This adds drama and elegance to every arrival. The alloy wheels are 21 inches with a striking design, and behind them sit massive carbon ceramic brakes. At the rear the Revuelto looks futuristic and powerful. There is a large rear diffuser, quad exhausts and a clear engine bay that shows off the beating heart of this beast. Tail lights are slim and aggressive, giving it a spaceship-like appearance at night. Now let's step inside. The cabin is a mix of racing spirit and high-end luxury. You are greeted with a 12-inch digital cockpit that shows all vital driving information in real time. In the center a sleek vertical touchscreen controls navigation, media and vehicle settings. The interior uses high-quality Alcantara premium leather and carbon fiber everywhere. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with drive mode selectors and paddle shifters. Seats are race-inspired yet supportive enough for everyday driving and come with electric adjustment and heating options. Interior lighting sets the mood and adds a futuristic glow at night. Now for the most exciting part, the engine. The 2025 Revuelto is Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid supercar. It combines a naturally aspirated V12 with 3 electric motors to produce a total of 1001 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds and can reach speeds over 350 km per hour. That makes it one of the fastest street-legal Lamborghinis ever built. The car also supports a few kilometers of all-electric driving for city use. Let's talk features. It includes active aerodynamics, magnetic suspension, adaptive cruise control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a heads-up display and over 13 driving modes. There is also a high-quality sound system built for audiophiles and advanced driver assistance features to help in everyday traffic. The Revuelto is not just built for the track, it also gives you luxury, comfort and smart tech in one amazing package. The price of the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto starts around $600,000 and due to limited production it's already in high demand among collectors and enthusiasts. That wraps up our full interior and feature review of the Lamborghini Revuelto. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FullSpec Motors. We bring you reviews of the world's most exciting cars, from supercars to future tech. Let us know in the comments what